It's my duty to ensure that the leadership acts in the best interest of all silverwings.
Frida is a good leader. We trust her.
I'm sure you do, Ariel. She saved the life of your lawbreaker son. Maybe it's time for a leadership vote.
Oh, the Eastern Valley. Get me away from those wolves.
Is it me, or does something about this war stink?
If I keep bluffing Goth, I can buy us more time.
Are you crazy? It was pure luck he thought you were bluffing him in the first place.
Exactly. And now that I've got him completely figured out...
We have wasted too much time flying around. Throb, eat the bright wing.
No!
Sid!
Where is your colony?
Fine. Go ahead. Eat her.
What?
There. Huh?
See if I care.
You are up to something, muchacho.
No. Go ahead. I mean, what difference does it make? You're gonna eat us anyway.
Oh, so you would prefer to be eaten now, so that you may spare your colony. Unless, of course, you are thinking that there is something in it for you.
Yes. That's exactly what I'm thinking.
A bat who would betray his entire colony to save his own hide. I think the spirit of Zotz is alive in this one, Throb. What exactly do you want?
I want...
Yes?
I want you to take us both to the jungle to live like royalty with Throb as our servant.
What are you doing?
Let me handle this.
It's very funny. But I will have to think about it.
No! If you want me to deliver my colony, I need an answer. Now!
You have a deal.
I'll end up serving you both for dinner.
All those in favor of appointing me as the new leader? All in favor of Frida? The colony has spoken. I humbly accept this responsibility. Follow me to Hibernaculum.
We had a deal. You are still taking too long.
Goth, I've never migrated before. Maybe I should check my sound map again?
Very well. I am off to hunt. But I I swear on the soul of Zots that if you try to trick me...
Hey, come on, let's hunt together. I'm pretty good, you know.
Really? Then perhaps you can prove it by killing something for us all to eat. Yes? Oh, unless, of course, it's just another of your lies. In which case, our deal is off. And then we take Marina for lunch.
Whoa! Ow! Hey!
Frida, I can't believe what just happened.
Bathsheba's been jealous of Frida her entire life.
I won't obey her. I can't.
Me neither.
Now listen to me, both of you. Bathsheba was within her rights as an elder to call for that vote. The colony spoke, and we must abide by that.
But Frida, we can't respect...
I think the prey must be scarce in this part of the forest.
I thought you might say that. That is why I took it upon myself to bring you this. Kill the rabbit. Now. I thought as much. You have no intention of leading us to your colony. You have lied to buy yourself some more time. Well, now your time has run out.
I'll gladly kill this rabbit, Goth. It's just that here in the northern forest, we have a custom of beginning every meal with... a salad!
Salad?
Well, how do you think we stay warm in all this cold?
Not bad. A custom, you say? Keeps you warm. Yeah, I wanted your custom. Now kill the rabbit!
I don't feel so good.
He has tricked us!
Quick thinking on the leaves shade.
Thanks. Let's get out of here.
Wolves.
My poor sister.
That's not fair at all. Are you sure your colony was headed this way?
Positive.
Then we're not out of trouble yet.
When the darkness opens wide, swallowing up the sun inside, dappled stars, they prick the sky, blanket on which the moon will lie. Why must daylight always dim? Creeping dusk so cold and grim. 'Tis the blackness of the night teaches us how to see.